Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to explain my tattoo adventures, I guess, right? So let's talk about a little bit of tattoos. Let's talk about them. Y'all like them? Because I love them. What do people think about my tattoos? You think I give a fuck? No fucks given. Okay, if you don't like tattoos, get a fuck out. Nah. Anyways, but if you want to continue watching, please continue watching and leave positive comments. Thank you. While I remove my rings. Alright, so obviously the first one will be the hand. This is the Ganesh elephant. Alright, my best friend, she did it for me. But she didn't do the finished result, but she did do it. I'm gonna put a picture right here somewhere in the screen of the one that she did do, and then this is the final result. As you can tell, it is a different nose. I wanted her to finish it up, but me and her talking right now, so anyways, let's go finger by finger. Okay, so I'm a nighttime person. I am a nighttime person. So I have a star and a crescent moon. I am a queen. I have a crown on my freaking finger. I love the number 322. It's followed me everywhere. The number 3 and either the single number 2 or the number together 22. It follows me everywhere I go, so I put 3 dots and then 2 symbols right there. This one was my first tattoo, actually. It's the Gemini sign, because your girl's a Gemini. This one is the rosary. The rosary, because I was raised in the Catholic household. My family's Catholic. I'm Dominican. Yeah, I got the geography. Anyways, middle finger, the elephant, boom, boom, boom. Let's skip through this because I don't really want to talk about it. Oh, the green thumb. So there's the lotus leaf, right? Represents green thumb and weed for me. Okay. The Ganesh elephant means 3 things. It means the beginning of something new, success, and wisdom. That's what that means. And these flowers, it's just a way for the for everything else to connect, because I just thought it was like artsy elephant. I don't know, I needed something like naturey. I don't know, I already had a dream of it. Is that weird? I know that's weird. And then connecting from there, I have a waterfall. So, and this time to show you my thighs. Ooh, sexy music, please. Yeah, I'm sitting down. I'm just covering anything for YouTube. So right here is 4 butterflies. They each represent my siblings. They have their favorite color. Pink, my sister, and then these 3, my brothers. And then this is a tattoo of, okay, I don't really like to talk about it. But if you could see it well, it's covering something. I tattooed a baby on me because I had an abortion and I was really attached to it. I really wanted to keep it, but I couldn't. So It's laid up there. I don't know if you could really see it. These are the eyes, baby's head, then right there, right here is the butt. But it's a flower, rose, blue flower, just to cover it up, but I still see it because of the lashes. And you know, I don't really like to talk about it. But yeah, those are my tattoos. Yeah, that's all of my tattoos. I love it. I love all my tattoos. I want more. I'm obsessed with them. I don't think I'll ever have them on my face. Maybe on my neck. Like once I finish that, it'll be like, shh. Maybe. I don't know. Mátame. I do have my license to tattoo and pierce, but I do not know how to tattoo. No, don't ask me to tattoo. I do not tattoo. No, 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 no. Only pierce. 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 Speaking of which, I'm going to pierce my ears. Yeah, that'll be my next video. Stay tuned, guys. Best friend, because I know where I could always contact her, and she's a great tattoo artist. I will always recommend her to anybody. She's beautiful, has a beautiful soul, and she's a great artist. Why wouldn't I recommend her? Bruja del bloque, you already know. Anyways, for future tattoos, I definitely want to finish my sleeve. I do know what I want. I want to finish my whole leg as well. So I think I have an image of what I want, but I don't want to give it away yet until I have it done. Then I'll show you guys. But until then, please stay tuned and keep on watching some more videos. Ow.